Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to your English class. Today, we are going to study an easy and interesting poem from a railway carriage written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Yes, children, you all have been traveled in the train, right, children? Yes, we can have fun when we travel in the train, right? Yes or no, children? Yes. So, if we sit near the window, we can see many things from the window outside. Yes or no, children? Yes or no? Yes. We can see many things, no, children, like hills, mountains, meadows, horse, cattle, and many other things we can see from the window, right, children? We can enjoy traveling in the train room. Yes, children. Today, let us see what is there in the poem. Let us learn what is being given in the poem. Yes, children. Before starting the poem, let us learn about the poet. This poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He was born in 1850, 13 November, and died in the year 1894, 3rd December. He was a Scottish novelist and a poet, children, and the themes of his poetry were often about children, friendship, like that, and some of his best known works are Treasure Island, Kidnapped, and The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Yes, children, now let us go for the explanation part. Before starting the explanation, I will read the poem once. Please keep the finger wherever I am reading, children, okay? Yes. From a Railway Carriage, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, edges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Yes, children. So, here the poet is trying to say what the poet is trying to explain, children. Here, the poet is trying to explain whatever he is seeing from the window of the train. Understood? So, here in the first stanza, children, faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. So here, children, what the poet is trying to explain, the train runs more quickly than fairies can fly. What the poet is telling your children, he is telling that faster than fairies, train runs quickly than the fairies can fly. Fairies means what, children? Fairies are nothing but angels. You know angels, right? Yes. Faster than witches, and also the train runs faster than witches. What do you mean by witches, children? Witches is nothing but a woman magician. Understood? So it runs faster than witches too. When train goes forward, it seems as the soldiers are attacking their enemies in the battlefield. So children, when the train is going forward, how do we feel? We feel that the train is what? The soldiers are attacking their enemy in the battlefield. Understood? All through the meadows and horses and cattle. So the train runs on, leaving bridges, houses, fences, and ditches behind. It also leaves behind the green fields where horses and cattle are grazing. Yes, now children, so the train travels between what and all. You can see many things while the train is moving, right? What are the things you can see, children? So you can see meadows, cattle, horses, and also you can see some of the bridges, houses, fences, everything you can see, right children? Yes. So here children, what do you mean by edges? Edges is nothing but a border of a bushes or trees. Border ಇರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ edges ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, okay? And what do you mean by ditches children? Ditches is nothing but a hole dug for water to flow. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಅರಿತಾ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, for that we call it as ditches. Understood? Yes. And what do you mean by troops children? Soldiers mounted on horses. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್. Got it? Yes children. Now let us go for next 4 lines. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye painted stations whistle by. So the poet says that all the scenes of hill and the plain were being crossed by the rain, just like one raindrop follows. So what the poet is telling you children, he is telling that the scenes, we can see the scenes of hills, plains, while the train is crossing by. And also how does it look children? It looks as if just like one raindrops follows. Understood? Now for example, one raindrop will come again, very second you can see another raindrop coming back, right children? In the same sense the train looks like that while the train is moving. Understood? In the wink of an eye. In the wink of an eye andre ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕಣ್ ಬಿಡೋಷ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. Understood? Like that. So and also the train was moving very fast and was crossing stations with a whistle. So whistle, you know, you will get a whistle sound from the train, no children, whenever the station arrives. Yes. And also children, the stations looked painted pictures to the poet from the moving train. Understood? So when you will be traveling in the train, how does it look children? When you see from the window, the pictures of the outside looks like a painted. Yes or no? It looks as if somebody has painted. It looks like a painted pictures. Yes or no? When the train is moving, when we observe from the window, so the poet is just saying that it looks like a painted pictures. Understood children? Yes. Now let us go for next stanza children. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Okay. So here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing and daisies. Okay children, here what the poet is trying to say here children. The poet is telling that here is a child who is climbing a steep ground by himself with difficulty. Andre ಒಂದು ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಇರುವಂತ ಜಾಗನ what the child is doing is trying to climb that with a great difficulty. Understood? And also the child is also gathering some blackberries during climbing. Understood? All by himself and gathering brambles means is gathering some of the berries, blackberries ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಟ್ಟದ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ, like that is collecting that and is climbing with a great difficulty. Understood children? Yes. And also children, here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing and daisies. And also children, what does he see there? He also sees a homeless person who was looking at the train with surprise. Understood? And also he sees some ladies too who were making garlands of daisy flowers. Garlands andre ಹಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹೂ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, that one he also saw some of the ladies what they were doing, they were making the garlands. Understood? with the daisies andre daisy flower ಇಂದ garlands ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Got it? Yes children. Next, hope you all are understanding children. Now let us move on to the next 4 lines. Yes, you all are understanding, right? Yes. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load, and here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. So children, the poet sees a cart. What does the poet see here? The poet sees a cart moving with heavy load here. Understood? On the road, and the cart driver was sitting on the top of that load. Understood? Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with the man and the load. So the cart driver, the man was sitting upon the top of the load. Understood? He also sees a watermill. Then what else he see, children? Here is a mill and there is a river. So here he also sees a mill and also river while traveling in the train. What do you mean by mill, children? Mill is nothing but a building with a machine for crushing grains into flour. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಗ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಸ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಿಲ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಾ ದ ಮಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ and you also saw the river there while traveling in the train, children. Okay, and also each glimpse and gone forever. And also all of it happened so quickly that the poet could just get a glimpse of things which he never saw again. Glimpse means what, children? Glimpse is nothing but quick look. Means, children, just imagine while you're traveling in the train, it is like a glimpse, right? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಲುಕ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಪೊಯೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ it was like a glimpse of things he saw there. Understood? It was as if a glimpse of things, and it was already and also a glimpse of things which he never saw again. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. He couldn't see back once again the whatever the things he has been seen already. Understood? So it was just like a glimpse and gone forever. Understood, children? So this is a poem about a poet who was traveling in the train, and he was observing everything whatever he saw while traveling. Understood? So children, everyone enjoyed traveling, right? Everyone enjoyed this poem, right? Hope you all have understood the poem, children. Okay, so I want you all to read the poem once again. Okay, and also, children, I just wanted to tell the meanings. I think I left some of the meanings here. So clamber is nothing but, children, climbing. Got it? And also, what do you mean by tramp? Tramp is nothing but a homeless person. Got it? A homeless person. Got it? And also, what do you mean by meadows, children? Meadows is nothing but a field or pasture. Means a piece of land covered with grass. Got it? Yes. Yes, children. So hope you all have understood this poem. Okay, so read the poem once again, children. Later on I'll be giving the notes. Got it? So yes, thank you, children. Have a nice day.